Hi everyone, Dave Oliveira back with another Guards video. Today we're going to look at the phishing simulation and how we can use the AI, or my favorite, the templates. The AI I do like, but it is more of a simple approach, and I'll tell you what I mean by that. We'll see where it develops here soon. It's brand new, so looking forward to seeing where that comes to. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a peek at the phishing simulation right here, and we'll look at this AI one in just a moment. I have one up here that we'll take a peek at, but I like to use the templates one at this point in time because they're a little bit more convincing with graphics, and we can still edit them too. But I do like the AI one. It's cool to look. We'll take a peek at that next. So if we're looking at DocuSign, this one seems to get a lot of people in my testing. So if I want to see who's going to fall for this kind of item, I'm going to go ahead and select this guy and hit continue here. Of course, name this, something appropriate, fish test one or whatever, Q4 fish test or whatnot. Of course, it just looks like DocuSign. You've seen this before. A lot of people get this, fall for this one. And you can change up the text here if you would like as well. So that's always good. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. I'm going to just assign a user, which will just be myself. And then you get 30 days to run this campaign max, right? So you can choose the start and the end date. If you want to send it right now, just go ahead and uncheck this. This is randomized email delivery times. Most people want this to be on so that they don't get a flood of emails and everybody maybe sends a Slack message or an email and say, hey, did you get a bad email? And kind of the meerkat effect is what I like to call it. But yeah, so randomize the times, choose your users, and go ahead and preview the launch here. And it's really as easy as that. I'm not going to assign another one. I already did, but it looks like this. Got their information, sends it to them and lets them know, hey, click this button. If they click on anything, they fail it, of course. So that's always good. And with the AI one, though, this is what the AI one spit out. It's kind of more generic, but this happens and gets people all the time too. And it's just a simple click link. It's not really very flashy, which some people think, okay, maybe this is somebody I know or whatnot. But coming back over here, if we were just to go to exit and go back in here, you'll have a create option, and there's just some fields that you want to fill out. So this would be AI fish test, right? Something like that. Change the company name on the two. If we want to automatically generate it here, which is what we're doing, obviously, you can kind of add a sender name if you want. You do only get these three options because of want to make sure for mail deliverability, right? So choose your domain. And then the content type, is it, payroll, customer pitch, supply chain sales, there's a bunch of different tasks in there for you to choose. How long, short you want it, tone, casual, maybe pessimistic in this case. And I think I need an industry to support, which would be, let's just call it randomly animation. If I hit AI generate, it's going to go ahead and generate that text that we just saw, which is cool. And I'm looking forward to seeing how this develops too, because it's going to only get better as we know. So, but yeah, just wanted to kind of go over the phishings. Here's just one last time that this is the AI template that it spit out, right? The good thing about this is if we click on this here, this is already loaded into the template. It looks like a 404 error. We could also give them a fish test, like saying, hey, this was a bad link. Let me show you this one really quick. If I just go ahead and click on this guy, it should give you a DocuSign. So I'm going to put some stuff in here, give it a fake login here. And then it goes to this, which is really cool, right? Kind of gives you what, like, oops, that was a phishing site, a little quick video on that. And then there's also an interactive guide here to go over what to look for. So I thought that was really cool as well. So when they're phished, there's either a 404 bad link, like with the AI one, but with all of the templates, it leads to this. So yeah, that's all we got for today. We're going to look at security awareness training next, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.